Welcome to this overview on downloading and installing the Microsoft Teams app at the New Brunswick Community College. So we're going to recommend that all students at NBCC download and install the Microsoft Teams app onto your computer or device. The reason for this is because certain features, such as breakout rooms, are not available on the web version of Microsoft Teams. So you want to make sure that you have the application, the Microsoft Teams application, download and installed onto your computer or device so that you're able to take part in all of the class activities without any technical difficulties. So if you just go to google.com, you can actually just type in Microsoft Teams download, and then you just want to make sure that it's the Microsoft.com site that you're going to. So yes, I see Microsoft.com here. It's the first link that came up for me. So I'm just going to click on the download Microsoft Teams right here. So I'm brought into the Microsoft.com site here. I see the Microsoft logo, and there's two options here to download for desktop or for mobile. If you do have a mobile device, you can click download for mobile here, or you can just as easily go to the App Store and search for Microsoft Teams there and download the Teams app onto your mobile device. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to choose download for desktop and then select download Teams. So it just should take just a second to download the application here onto your computer, and then you're ready to install. So to install it, you can either double click on the little icon right here, or you can actually just go under your downloads. So I'm just going to go under my downloads folder here, and you'll see that it says Teams Window x64 here, so I can double click on that. And then it'll open up Microsoft Teams, and it just should take a second. And so when the login screen comes up here, you're just going to put in your NBCC email, which is just your username at mynbcc.ca, and then press the next button. And then it's going to ask you to put in your password, so you just type in your password and press sign in. Now, after it signs you into the Teams application, you can just go on to the menu here, the navigation on the left-hand side, and click on Teams, and it'll show you all of the classes that you're currently enrolled in that have been synced with Microsoft Teams. All right, there's also a calendar feature here where you can go on, see your calendar and any virtual classes, for example, that your instructors would set up. You can access them there. There's also a chat here where you can have chats with other classmates and other folks here at the New Brunswick Community College. And so the next time that you go to log into Microsoft Teams, we're just going to minimize this. And if you downloaded it onto the desktop of your computer, you'll just see on my very busy desktop here that there's the Teams application right here. So the next time you start up your computer, you'll just click on Microsoft Teams right here, and it'll bring you right into the Microsoft Teams environment. So this concludes the tutorial on logging into Microsoft Teams at the New Brunswick Community College.